We are here at Salvation Army. I heard they have 50% off on Wednesdays, so I was like, yeah, we definitely need to go. It's been on my list, and yeah, why not? Again, I'm just going in today for the vibes. I have a couple of things on my list, ponchos. So I would love to get a little ponchos. I would love to get a little spring summer poncho, but if not, then fall is right around the corner. So yeah, wouldn't mind getting one of those. Crop suede jackets, crop trench coat jacket. Yeah. What else? Polka dots, something that's polka dotty, and then slouchy shirts, off the shoulder tops, and then this car. And then there is this like tight waist slouchy top that I've been like eyeing. I think Paloma Wool has one. But yeah, anything that is like that looks like Paloma Wool would be great. And then of course Y2K. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's on my list. Let's go in and vibe out. Yeah. This one, I love the sleeves. It's so cool. Like, it's so cool. So I forgot I could talk because there's no music, but this I like. But I have a purple tank top, not like this, but it's floral. And what was I gonna say? It doesn't have a little trim lace like this, so I'm like, so this is a maybe because I really don't need it, and it's just a tank top. So yeah, and I already have a purple one. And I don't think that one's a v-neck, so I kind of like it more. But maybe this is a no. I'll put in a maybe, but I think it might be a no. This one, I was gonna say yes, but then, no. I do like it. I like the little bedazzle it has here. You can see that? Oh my gosh, there you go. I think this is Old Navy. All these shirts, by the way, are like $3.99. But I think they might be 50% off, so yeah, I like this. It's a loose fitting shirt, which I like because a lot of my black shirts are tight fitting. So yeah, I'm still on the fence low key about this one, so this might be the maybe as well. But yeah, what do we think? This one I really like. I'm thinking though, should it be tailored a little bit, like cinched in, just like that? What do we think? Or do we like it to be boxy? I love the huge buttons on this. And the sleeves are cute. I really like this one. How much is this? $4.99. Yeah, I really like this and it's different. This would add something to my wardrobe. But should I take it in? Okay, this is what I meant kind of by the shape when I meant tight waist and off the shoulder. I'm just like, I wish this was black or gray. Maybe white, but really black or gray. Like, I mean, the color's not bad, but it's just not the color I wanted. So I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it. The waist could definitely be tighter. But yeah, I don't think I care too much on this. Yeah, I think this is a no. Okay, this is more along the lines of what I was looking for. It's black. It like cinches in a little bit up at the bottom, has like a little band here, and has a like bat wing. And it can it be off the shoulder? It can. I love this. I freaking love this. It's by Monaco. Oh, see what it's by, but yeah, this is what I was looking for. This is so cute. I love this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so cute. I can't believe it's on my list. I love that. I literally love it. This is just a normal black tunic, but I feel like it gives Paloma wool, right? Excuse me. I feel like with long pants and not shorts, and it's so soft. And yeah, I really like this one. I'm gonna get this one. I was gonna try this one on, but it's just a regular black top. I really don't need it, so yeah. And I'm getting 2 other black tops, or maybe, but yeah, I don't need that many black tops. So yeah, but this I love. I love a little cute little tunic. Speed round, they're closing in 5 minutes. Hey guys, so we are back. Well, we've been back for a little bit, but we're back and we got a lot of things. I did get to show you guys a couple of clips when I was in the fitting room trying things on, but then as I was like halfway done, the Salvation Army was going to close in like 5 minutes, so I didn't really have time to show the rest of them. So there's some things in here that I got that I didn't get to try on, but we'll talk about that later. So let's get into it. So this is one of the things I got. I did not get to try this on. It is by, I think this is H&M. Yes, H&M. It's just a cute little button up. And then the sleeves look like this. They have, when you cuff them, it shows a little bit of the white there. Yeah, this was, everything was 50% off. So everything I'm telling you, cut that in half and that's the price. This was $5.99. This is mainly for work, but it could be for going out. I don't want to get too, I didn't want to get too much like work clothes really. That really was not what I was going there for, just because I have work clothes and also my new job is going to be, one day I am going to be remote, so I really don't need more work clothes. So yeah, but this I just got because I don't really have any button-up shirts to wear to work in general, so that's that. Then I got this shirt. I think you guys did see me try these on, this one on. And yeah, I could wear this. Well, I'm gonna do a whole video like showing off the things I bought and that I thrifted and just styling them. So I'm gonna do a video of me styling all the clothes that I actually thrifted. But I got this shirt, cute little lace shirt, and it's long too. This was $3.99, super cute. This was by Guess and a size medium. So Guess by G by Guess, size medium. Then I got this was on my freaking, also I'm kind of far, let me get a little closer. This was on my list of things I wanted to get, but so I'm super excited. This is by Club Monaco in a size extra small. Made in China. Yeah, I absolutely love this. When I put it on, and I could make it off the shoulder, yeah, absolutely love. I could wear this, I'm sorry, itchy. I could wear this with shorts, with pants, with slacks, like literally could wear this to work, outside of work. Yeah, I love it. And I need more like cute little sweaters, you know? So yeah, I love this one. I literally cannot wait to wear that. And then you guys saw me try this one on. Yep, just a cute little shirt. It's $3.99. This is by Gap, extra small. It's a cute little top. You guys also saw me try this one on. Super duper cute. I'm still debating on if I should try to get it tailored, like the middle waist part, if I should get that taken in a little bit, or if I should just keep it like boxy. But this is by Studio One Petite. There you go. Oh wait, there you go. It's a cute little deep red color. I wouldn't say burgundy, I would say like a deep red. It's showing up a little brighter on camera, but yeah, super cute. This was $4.99. And yeah. Next thing I got is by Joseph A. It's a New York company. Paris, London, New York, size medium. This one just gives like coastal grandma Florida vibes. Like I wish I had found it earlier in this week, but so I could wear it. But yeah, look at the sleeves. They're so pretty. Super pretty. Yeah, got that. This was $3.99. Okay, this is something I did not get to try on, unfortunately, but it's just a cute little sweater. It's by Ice in a size medium. I can wear this to work, but also dress up. I just need more sweaters. Oh, and it's on the sleeves as well. I didn't notice that. So cute. This was $3.99, and like I said, I can wear this to work. I can wear this outside of work too, just because I feel like sometimes I don't have any sweaters to like wear in the winter, fall time. So yeah, got that. I got this shirt. I know I showed you guys this one. This is by, who is this by? Bog Collective. Bog Collective. And I really love the shape of this one. The shape of this is so pretty. I think this is a bandana shape. I think that's what it is. But yeah, I really love this. I'm not sure if I want to take it in, maybe make it shorter. Like still keep the same hem, but make it a little shorter. We shall see, because it's printed, so it's like there's only so much you can do with that, you know? That's how much this was. This was also $3.99. Here's another shirt I did not get to try on. I don't know. I didn't get to try it on, so I just put it in the bag. This is by Express Extra Small. It smells good. Yeah. Oh, it cinches in here. That's interesting. We'll see. Hopefully I can style this. Hopefully I like this when I put this on, but yeah, I like the high neck of this, and I just like the color overall. It's like a deep brown, but then it's like, it's shimmery, it's shiny. It's like a rusty, coppery brown, if that makes sense. And it's like, you know, I don't know what this material is. I've had a shirt just like this type of material. I don't know what this is called. I have no idea. I have to look it up, but yeah, I got this. And I just feel like this will look really, really cute with this hair color. Yeah, well, this was $3.99. This I did try on. It's just a little black tunic. This was, how much is this? This was $2.99, and this is by Perfectly Soft, Perfectly You Tunic Tee, made in Vietnam. Oh, is this American Eagle? No, American Heritage. I have no idea what this is. It says like American Heritage on a little circle part, but yeah, really cute. I just feel like this kind of gives like the Loma Wool, most of those other brands. I forgot, but yeah, because I love their things, but I'm not spending that much money on animal clothing, especially when they're making, yeah, anyway. But yeah, this is what I got. Another thing I did not get to try on is this cardigan from Carol Anderson, California. There it is. It's like a periwinkle color. It's so cute. I feel like, again, this would go so cute with this hair color. I also just want to get more into like, I want to get more into color, but then I do want to get more black, gray, like things, if that makes sense. I don't know. But yeah, I got this. This was $3.99. And yeah, the little collar. It's so cute. Super cute. Oh, and it's on the sleeve. It's like I think it's a 3/4 length sleeve. I think so. But yeah, got this. Super cute. As you can see, I got a lot of like fall items just because summer's almost over, unfortunately, and I really have enough summer clothes, so I don't need more summer clothes. So yeah, maybe get a couple things here and there, but yeah, it's not like a big necessity. You guys saw that ponchos were on my list. I didn't get to show you the ponchos that didn't work because I tried one on. I tried something else on that I put back. I can't remember, but the poncho I tried on, it was like one of the ones that had sleeves attached to it, and I just wasn't liking the look because the sleeves were short and like, yeah, it just didn't look great. But this, I got this poncho. It's just a gray poncho and has a little, you know, things on here. Maybe I'll keep them, maybe I'll cut them off. I'm not sure. I don't know if you can even really cut these off. But also now I'm thinking about it, this is like the material that comes off easily. So this, But again, I didn't get to try this on because I had 5 minutes left, but really had like 3 minutes left. So yeah, and I like, it seems like I can wear this off the shoulder, which I think will look really cute. I just love an off the shoulder top. Like, yeah, I love off the shoulder top, but like the baggy off the shoulder look, not like the tight off the shoulder look, although I do have a, yeah, but mainly I like the baggy off the shoulder top look. So yeah, I got this. This was $3.99. Cannot beat it. Cannot beat it. But yeah, I got that. It's heavy too. I then got this one. I just couldn't, I didn't know if I should take it. Oh gosh. I didn't know if I should keep it or not. I'm like debating. I'm not sure. I don't know how I feel about it. It's by the brand, a really nice brand called Tahari is what it's called. Let me see. It's called, yeah, Tahari. Size small. It's by Tahari. It feels really good. I did try this one last minute. Like, I tried it on and rushed back to the, I don't remember, but I tried it on really, really quickly. Oh yeah, I do have a clip of this. This is the last item I think I tried on, but yeah, I think I like the pattern. It feels so soft. It feels so good on your body. So, oh gosh, I'm gonna put all this makeup on it because I didn't even get to, yeah, I was rushing. But it's like a mock neck, and then, but it's like big and like boxy kind of. So we'll see. We'll figure out how. The lighting. Oh gosh, the lighting is messing up. Sorry. Okay, let me hear it because the sun is setting in the back. But yeah, got this. This was $6.99. Oh gosh, I had like a skirt that I wanted to try on. I didn't have time to try it on, so I just left it behind. Also, I don't really even wear, like, it was kind of like a pencil skirt, but non-pencil skirt, and I don't really wear those, so I just put it back. But 3 minutes. I got these gauchos. Do you remember when gauchos were a thing? I feel like they're coming back, so I got them. But also, I just like them. They're by 9 West. I wonder if this was a set because it says separates. But yeah, I got these. They're so cute. Look at these. The waist definitely needs to be taken in because they're way too big. But I can't wait to wear these. These are $5.99. So then I just got a regular little cardigan for work. This is by Karen Scott. I actually have a turtleneck by the same brand, I believe. Or maybe it was Kendra Scott. It's Karen or Kendra? It's Kendra. But yeah, just a regular cardigan. The sleeves go all the way down, but just tucked in. Let's see. Yeah, the sleeves go all the way down. It's a cute little cardigan. I feel like a lot of my work cardigans, something's wrong with it. I think the sleeves are, I think it's shrunk a little bit. Then we found another shirt that was on my list. This is the shirt. It's like one of those Batwing shirts, I think. So this is it. This was $3.99. The sleeves are longer. It's just tucked in. There you go. Here's the sleeve, and it's off the shoulder. You can wear it like this or this, and it's like, I can't. Yeah, like the Batwing. You'll see when I try these on when I do a separate video. But yeah, I tried this on and I was like, oh, absolutely getting. I love it. So yeah, that was the last thing. My total was like $34, so it would have been like $60 without the whole 50% off. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please stay tuned for the next video when I style all these items, because also a lot of these items are fall related. So, but honestly, by the time this is edited, it will be fall. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. And yeah, should I have gotten the other things that I showed in the haul? I mean the trying portion? Let me know. Oh, I hope you guys like this video, and see you in the next one.